everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we're going to be making instant Unniyappam, also known as Sweet Paniyaram. Normally we use one medium banana, but as I don't have any medium bananas lying around, I only have these two small bananas. First, let's add 2 bananas. First banana and second banana. Let's grind the bananas with jaggery syrup. I've made the syrup by boiling 1 cup of jaggery and half a cup of water. You can increase and decrease the sweetness by adding your level of jaggery. Only add a little syrup. Save the rest for later. Next, let's grind. Whoa! Don't forget to sieve the jaggery after you've boiled it. Let's start with the batter. First, let's add rice flour into a bowl. 1 cup. 1/4 cup wheat flour. 1 tablespoon semolina. Half a teaspoon cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Adding semolina gives you a nice and crunchy Unniyappam or Paniyaram. Dry mix. Add the jaggery syrup mix. And now mix it until it has an idli batter consistency. Add a little bit more jaggery syrup. Actually, the rest of it. Now it should start getting that idli batter consistency. Add water little by little to make it more smoother. When it gets a little thick, you have to add a little bit of water. Next, let's add ghee 1 tablespoon. Baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. Black sesame seeds 1 teaspoon. And mix and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Perfect consistency. You can see how good the consistency is. Heat oil in the upper pan or the Paniyaram pan. Pour around 1 tablespoon of batter. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and cook on the other side until done. It should be in medium heat. Whoa, looks so cool frying. By the time it finished frying, I know it's going to be nice and crispy. It looks so yummy. Now we're going to flip it. Now let's start taking it out. And now our Unniyappam or Sweet Paniyaram is ready. Let's serve. Thank you for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye!